Wait! Don't throw away them good Thorogood boots. Good Thorogood boots are good, and they're boots. You can take a nasty Thorogood just like this, all greasy and scuffed up, and we can make this bad boy look brand new and respectable. We can make it a respectable boot. Let's hop in there and get these boots cleaned up. Bring them back to life.
So I started out by just dry brushing the boots, and then I tried a little bit of hot water and Dawn. Now, unfortunately, the grease was a little too strong to cut off with hot water and Dawn. So I went inside and broke out the spray power. Spray power is a little bit harsh for leather. You have to rinse it really good to get all of that spray power residue out of the leather because it will dry them out. But you can see it's eating the dirt out of these strings. If you are going to use spray power on a set of boots, make sure that you rinse them really good and also condition and get some moisture back in that leather after you're done. Old toothbrush for the win. Thorogood wedge soles or any wedge sole boot, a spoon is your best friend for actually getting them clean. Now a little bit of redneck ingenuity because I don't have anything to hold a shoe or a boot. So, Vost rubber mallet. Oops. Look at that.
Insider trading, everybody else is doing it, it's the culture, you get wrapped up in it just like bad cops.
Unfortunately, the little America USA tags were beyond repair, so I had to lose them. After drying in the sun for roughly a day, day and a half, I brought them in, burnt all of the little frayed out pieces of thread and stitching, and then got to conditioning. This Bic 4 is the best thing I've ever used on dried out leather. After that spray power bath, this stuff just soaked in so good. They drunk a ton of it. Now for this, that kiwi polish is to just hide some of the big deep scratches and gashes in the leather. So I mixed a little bit of Bic with that kiwi polish so it would soak in a little better. Be sure not to get it on the thread because it'll turn those kind of orange. A little bit of more on-the-fly ingenuity. That was a shoe polish brush. And there you go. Ugh. Ugh. Much better.
Run in them. Let me see how you like
Run! Run for real!
it. Yeah, run for real.